What is up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a live weather dashboard automatically using Antigravity. So let's get started. If you haven't downloaded and installed Antigravity, you'll need to download and install Antigravity to your computer. Then over here, we're going to start by choosing a folder that we'd like to store our files. To do that, I'll click on open folder right here and choose a folder that we'll have created in our computer. So I've created this folder called weather in my computer, and here's where we're going to store our files. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to create a file that we're going to add the instructions that we like Antigravity to follow as it creates for us our weather dashboard. So to create the file, I'm going to click on new file right here, and we can name this file or whatever we want. So we can name it, let's say Gemini.md file right here. And this is a file that we're going to add the rules that we like Antigravity to follow as it generates for us the live weather dashboard. Here are the rules that we like Antigravity to follow as it generates for us our dashboard. So we are naming our dashboard live weather dashboard. The objective, we like Antigravity to build a real-time weather dashboard that fetches accurate live weather data and renders it as a well-designed web interface accessible via localhost link. For the core functionality, we like it to accept a user-provided location, fetch real-time weather data from a reliable API, process and validate the data, then generate a fully functional local web dashboard, and return a working localhost URL where the dashboard can be viewed. For the location, we're going to input it as a prompt. For the data source, it can use any public weather API. For the data that we like to extract, we like to extract the location name, temperature, what it feels like, humidity, weather condition, wind speed, and timestamp. For the workflow, we like to capture the location input, send API requests for live weather data, pass and validate response, extract key data points, generate clean UI dashboard, host the dashboard locally, and output the localhost link. The output requirements, we like it to return a working localhost URL in this format. The link must open a fully functional dashboard. All display data must be accurate and reflect the API response. The dashboard must be visually clean and well structured. For the design rules, we like a modern and minimal user interface to have a clear topography and spacing. Should highlight key metrics, use visual hierarchy, optional icons for weather conditions, and responsive layout for different screen sizes. So for the display format, we like to output our output in these formats as outlined right here. The nodes required, we like an input node, which will be the location, HTTP request node, which will be the weather API, pass node, validation node, user interface, generator node, local server node, and the output node. And here is the data flow. So after we've inputted our location, we like it to perform an API request, then pass, validate, extract, create a user interface, a localhost link, and then output our link right here. For the constraints, we like it not to return raw JSON to the user, ensure data is accurate before rendering, should also handle locations gracefully, and ensure the localhost server starts successfully every time. For the success criteria, the working localhost link should always be generated, dashboard loads instantly without errors, the data matches real-time API responses, and the user interface is clean, should be clean, modern, and user-friendly. To generate our live weather dashboard using Antigravity, here we're going to add a prompt. So here we are telling Antigravity refer to the Gemini.md file for full application rules, structure, and requirements. Using those specifications, generate a live weather dashboard for New York City. Fetch real-time weather data and ensure all displayed values are accurate and up-to-date. Host the dashboard locally and return a working localhost URL. Only output the localhost link. So this is a prompt that we're going to send to Antigravity to generate for us our live weather dashboard, as you can see over here. So you can see it's generating our dashboard right here. So for the conversation mode, we're choosing a fast mode. You can either choose planning or the fast mode. The planning mode. So for the planning mode, the agent plans before executing tasks. You can use these to perform deep research, complex tasks, and collaborative work. For the fast mode, the agent executes tasks directly. You can use this for simple tasks that can be completed faster, like generating our weather dashboard. So here you can see it started by analyzing the Gemini.md file. So here it's telling me that the file is empty because we forgot to save this file. So here can resend our prompt again. For for it to begin generating our live weather dashboard right here. So let's give it a minute or so for it to perform the task. Yeah, you can see Antigravity successfully generated our dashboard for us over here. The dashboard is live and serving, and here's the link to the dashboard here. So here it started by analyzing our Gemini.md file, and then it proceeded to generate our dashboard over here. So now let us preview the dashboard. To preview the dashboard, all we have to do is just click this link over here to open the dashboard. When we open our dashboard here, you can see the live weather dashboard that Antigravity generated for us over here. So we were generating a live weather dashboard for New York City. Here you can see temperature, humidity, pressure, wind speed, the visibility, the 24-hour forecast over here. You can also see the time, precipitation, dew point, pressure, cloud cover, and the 7-day forecast over here. So we got here we got the 24-hour forecast, and here we got the 7-day forecast over here. You can also see it's giving you a disclaimer telling you that the current condition, heavy snow, use caution outside. This is incredible. You can see this is live, and it auto refreshes every 10 minutes right here. This is incredible. Antigravity generated this incredibly well designed live weather dashboard right here just by prompting it over here. This is amazing. We can try generating another live weather dashboard for a different location. We can try another city like Los Angeles. So we can tell Gemini refer to the Gemini.md file for full application roles, structure and requirements. Use those specifications to generate a live weather dashboard for Los Angeles. Fetch real-time weather data and ensure all displayed values are accurate and up-to-date. Host the dashboard locally and return a working localhost URL. Only output the localhost link. And here we're going to click on send for Antigravity to generate our live weather dashboard for Los Angeles. Here you can see it's generating our dashboard. Let's give it a minute or two for it to complete generating the live weather dashboard for us for Los Angeles. Here, after a few minutes, you can see it successfully generated our dashboard over here. So it analyzed the Gemini.md file and then went ahead and spun up the dashboard, the live weather dashboard for LA. You can see over here, and then it outputted only the link to the dashboard. So now to preview the dashboard, all we have to do is just click this link over here to open the dashboard. Now open our link. Here is a beautiful dashboard that is generated for us over here. So same one with a different color. New York one had a dark blue color, but the LA one is a brown color. Beautiful, love it. So here we are getting the temperature, humidity, pressure, visibility, and the wind speed. We're also getting the 24-hour forecast over here. So getting the day and the time, it's at in the location, precipitation, visibility, dew point, cloud cover, and the 7-day forecast over here. This is incredible. So this is the live weather dashboard that we generated for Los Angeles using Antigravity over here. This is amazing. So you can try another different location, for example, let's say Miami. So we can tell Antigravity refer to the Gemini.md file for full application roles, structure and requirements. Using those specifications, generate a live weather dashboard for Miami. Fetch real-time weather data and ensure all the displayed values are accurate and up-to-date. Then host the dashboard locally and return a working localhost URL. Only output the localhost link. And here, hit send. to generate our live weather dashboard for Miami. You can see here it's generating. Let's give it a minute or two for it to complete generating our live weather dashboard for the specific location. Here you can see it successfully generated for us our live weather dashboard for Miami, and it gave us this link over here to preview the dashboard. So now to preview the dashboard, all we have to do is just click this link over here to open the dashboard. So now when I open our live weather dashboard for Miami, here you can see the incredible dashboard that it generated for us over here. This is incredible. So we're getting the temperatures, humidity, pressure, wind speed, visibility, the 24-hour forecast over here, so every single hour. So getting the date and time it is, in the location, precipitation, visibility, dew points, the 7-day forecast, cloud cover, and the heat index right here. This is amazing. This is incredible. So these was the live weather dashboard for Los Angeles. This was for New York over here. And this is the recent one that was just generated for Miami. Generated these well-designed, beautiful live weather dashboards for these specific locations by prompting anti-gravity over here. So we're telling it to refer to this gemini.md file to get the instructions, structure and requirements I would like to use as it generates for us our dashboard. And here all we're adding is a location I would like for it to generate the dashboard for. And then we'll only like the output to be a localhost link that is generated for us over here and over here. This is incredible. So that is how you can generate live weather dashboards automatically using anti-gravity. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like help setting up anti-gravity or generating well-designed dashboards, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how you can set up anti-gravity and generate well-designed dashboards similar to the ones that I just generated in this video. But if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.